Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to make money from your website, even if you're just starting from scratch and don't have an audience yet. There are more than a dozen proven ways to turn your website into real income streams, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the best ones and show you exactly how to set each one of them up. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sell products with an online store, offer services and accept bookings, use affiliate marketing, run display ads, set up memberships and premium content, sell online courses or digital downloads, and track your website's revenue stream so you always know what's actually working, all using Wix. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's answer the obvious question. Can a website you built yourself actually make real money? Yes, and it doesn't require millions of visitors or a huge budget to get started. Website monetization simply means turning the traffic and trust your site already has into income, whether that's by selling something directly, promoting someone else's product, running ads, or charging for access to content. Some of these methods pay off right away, like selling a product the same day you launch. Others build slowly towards passive income websites that keep earning with very little ongoing effort once everything is already set up. The trick is not to try to do all of these at once. Instead, pick the right mix of website revenue streams for your specific business and audience. If you sell a physical product online, an online store makes sense. If you're a coach or consultant, bookings might be your best bet. If you write helpful content but don't have your own product, affiliate marketing or ads might be a better starting point. Over the next several sections, I'll walk you through each method, starting with the most direct one, selling products. The most straightforward way to make money from a website is to start selling something through it directly. With Wix e-commerce, Wix's built-in store builder, you can turn your website into a full e-commerce store. Whether you're selling a physical product like clothing or handmade goods, digital products like templates or presets or a mix of both, you can list items, manage inventory, set pricing, and accept payments, all from the same dashboard you already used to run the rest of your site. To get started, in your editor, find the app market in the ad panel, then find Wix stores. Add this to your website. From there, you can add your first products, write descriptions, upload photos, and set your prices. Once you're live, connect a payment method through Wix Payments or a third-party provider like PayPal so customers can actually check out. If you're shipping physical goods, you can also set your shipping rates, print labels, and track orders directly from your dashboard. This is really handy so you're not juggling separate shipping tools on top of your site. If your business is service-based, whether that's coaching, consulting, fitness training, or anything where clients pay for your time, your website can become the easiest way for people to find you and book with you. Wix Bookings lets clients schedule and pay for appointments directly from your site without a single phone call or a long back and forth email. You set your availability, list your services, and set your pricing, and clients can pick what time works best for them and confirm it instantly. This is also where your site becomes a lead generation machine. Even visitors who aren't ready to book yet can still fill out the contact form, join your email list, or request more information. This gives you a way to follow up and turn interest into paying clients down the line. To set it up, go to the app market, find the one called Wix Bookings, add your services, set up your calendar and availability, connect a payment method so clients can actually pay when they book, or you can set it up so they pay in person if you prefer. Once this is live, every appointment shows up in your dashboard right alongside the rest of your business activity, so you can manage everything in one place. If you don't have your own product or service to sell yet, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning from a website right now with almost no upfront costs. Here's how it works. You recommend other companies' products or services on your site using a special tracking link. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, usually a percentage of the sale or sometimes just a flat fee. This is one of the best ways to build a genuine passive income website because once your content is published, it can keep earning without you having to touch it again. So write a blog post, a product review, or a resource page, add your affiliate links naturally within the content, and a single page can keep generating income for months or even years afterwards. To get started, join the affiliate marketing program relevant to your niche. Most major retailers and software companies have one. So generate your link, add your links to the relevant, genuine, helpful pages on your website, not just randomly scattered around, and always disclose to your audience that the links are affiliate links. An affiliate marketing website works best when the recommendation feels honest and useful, instead of a wall of ads. Another hands-off way to earn money from your website is through displaying advertising, where you place ads throughout your site and get paid based on the impressions or clicks. As a rough benchmark, most creators see meaningful ad income once they are consistently hitting a few thousand visitors a month. This is because ad revenue is largely based on volume. On top of that, it's better to layer ads on top of another method rather than just relying on them solely. Ads is not typically going to replace a full income on its own for a new brand, but it's a simple way to add another revenue stream on top of your website with creating new products or offers. To set up, apply for Google AdSense account, add your verification code Google gives you to your site, and once your application is approved, Google handles placing the ads and optimizing your ads for you automatically. If you have valuable content, whether that's in-depth tutorials, exclusive resources, or ongoing behind-the-scenes updates, you can actually charge people for continued access instead of giving everything away for free. With Wix pricing plans, you can turn your site into a membership website, offering paid subscriptions that unlock premium content, community access, downloadable resources, or anything else you want to reserve for paying members only. This model works especially well if you already create content on a regular basis that people find genuinely useful, because it can actually turn casual one-time visitors into recurring, predictable income instead of a single purchase here and there. To set this up, go to your Wix app market and add the Wix pricing plans. Decide exactly what content or features you want to stay free versus the ones that members only get. You can set your pricing tiers, whether that's monthly, yearly, or one-time fee, and publish your plans. From there, Wix handles the billing, renewals, and access automatically. So members get let in and out based on their subscription status without you having to manage it manually. If you have an expertise in something, you can package that knowledge into a product that people can pay for once, and you can sell it over and over again without extra work per sale. This could be an online course, an ebook, a template, a printable PDF, a preset pack, or any other downloadable resource. The appeal here is that you create a product one time, and then you can sell that digital product online indefinitely without needing to restock, manufacture, or ship anything. For digital goods, templates, ebooks, and preset packs, this can be set up through Wix e-commerce, the same way that you did it with physical products, but upload your digital file directly. This delivers the product automatically at checkout, so there's no manual work required on your end. For online courses, Wix has a dedicated app called Online Courses that handles lessons, progress tracking, and payments in one place. This method pairs really well with everything else on your list. You can promote your digital products through an affiliate partner, mention it inside your membership content, or link to it directly from a blog post that's already bringing in steady traffic. Once you got one or more of these methods running, the last step is knowing what's actually working, so you can put more energy into one and cut out the one that isn't paying off. Wix Analytics gives you a built-in dashboard showing you traffic sources, how visitors behave once they land on your site, and revenue data all in one place. This is essential for figuring out which of your website revenue streams are actually worth your time. Check in on it on a regular basis, look at which products or services are actually selling, which pages are driving the most clicks on your affiliate links, and where your traffic is coming from in the first place. Use this information and double down on what's working. And feel free to improve or retire whatever isn't working. So that's how you make money from your website start to finish. To recap, you can sell products through an online store, offer services with bookings, use affiliate marketing, display ads, set up memberships and premium content, sell online courses or digital downloads, and you can use analytics to track and grow your website revenue streams over time. You don't need to do all of these at once. Pick one or two that genuinely fit your business, get them set up properly, and expand from there as you grow. If this video has helped you understand how to make money with your website, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials. Let me know in the comments below which method you plan to try first. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.